The City of Mississauga is moving towards 2022 with confidence and energy. We have shown our resilience and remain focused on what makes Mississauga a place where people choose to be. Throughout the pandemic, city staff have continued to provide programs and services residents rely on every day. We moved some services online. We've adapted our service models to equip us for the future. Mississauga is resilient. Our attention remains on our recovery, improving services, ensuring customer satisfaction, and growing our economy to benefit all residents. Going forward, we'll maintain the city's commitment to sound financial management while striving to meet our long-term goals.
Mississauga continues to reopen and recover from the pandemic. The city is bouncing back as more people use transit, visit our community centers, and access programs and services across the city. The pandemic has changed how we work. We've adapted how we do business and found efficiencies. We thank the federal and provincial governments for providing the city with funding to address the ongoing financial impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic. The funding is helping the city address the deficit, carry out much-needed recovery work, and continue to deliver on priorities. Our focus remains on making good spending decisions and choices while meeting city needs. The budget funds more than 200 city services to deliver programs and maintain infrastructure. It summarizes projects and services based on greatest impact and priorities within the community. We'll continue to be open and transparent with our budget process. This means two-way dialogue and letting you know what we're spending on, how we're spending it, and the value your tax dollars bring to Mississauga. During the budget engagement period, we ask residents, businesses, and community groups to share their comments and feedback about the budget with council and with city staff. Use the budget allocator tool or join a budget engagement session. This helps inform and guide budget discussions and decisions. We're accountable to you as Mississauga residents and business owners. Together, we're budgeting for a stronger tomorrow while prioritizing and building for the future. To learn more about the city's 2022 budget and business plan, visit mississauga.ca/budget.